Delivered from a faster, smarter list building. Today I wanted to do a quick review of the Explosivo. It's a product in conjunction with Bill Hugall and Sybil Spencer, put together by a guy called Weathery. This is a really great product. It's really in-depth and in detail and takes you step by step how to use this method. I'll just take you to the back office or the actual members area, and we'll go through the product and just so you can see what's in it. This is Will, really nice guy, really explains things very well. He gives you an overall introduction of the system. He shows you how to easily create a lead magnet, which is pretty amazing. I'd never thought of it, and it's really quick and easy. Then shows you how to set the whole lead magnet up, put it together, and then more info on the demo video, uploading it to YouTube and telling you how important it is to optimize it and put in the cover, how to put the lead magnet on your website, how to build the landing page or bridge page, how to do the Facebook ads and remarketing. Also, it gives you some email follow-up sequences so you can nurture your list and get more opens. Then he shows you how to create an Instagram post and how to post it on Instagram from a laptop or desktop. This one thing here is gold and really worth the price of admission. I've been using this little tip for lots of other things, really useful. I'm blown out of the water by how easy it is. This is how you can order mentions and get the best out of Instagrams if you don't already have an Instagram account, so you can get the best results from that. How to create the Instagram story, and then setting up an ads campaign and getting a good return on investment for that campaign. He shows the best way. Then he goes through a case study, plus there's some bonus material. What I liked the best about this was the simple videos and explanations, how thorough it is, how newbie friendly it is. And if you look on the sales page, there's some really good testimonials and some proof of how this has been working for some pretty high level marketers. Now, this guy does a lot of promotions. Billy does, got a lot of his own products, Art Flair, a lot of his own products. And when they're starting to rave about their results, then you kind of know that must be working. Plus, there's some other proof inside. I've been using it. I've been getting a little bit of traffic. I've still got a couple of steps to go through to really push it into overdrive. But if you're looking for something that you can start that's well set out and gives you lots of information and step by step and easy to follow and easy to get going, then Explosivo might be just what you want. So if you'd like a copy for $7.98 it is at the moment, then click on the link in the description and let's get you started. Okay, this is Janelle Livet. Thanks for watching Livet Online Marketing.